In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your candlestick colors in TradingView. This is useful if you want your charts to match your theme or improve visibility. Let's get started. First, go to TradingView.com and make sure you're signed in to your account. Logging in lets you save chart settings for future use. Next, go to the Products tab at the top of the page and click to expand the drop-down. Then, select Super Charts so you can load the interactive trading chart view. After that, click the gear icon in the top right corner of the chart screen. This opens the settings panel where you can make all visual customizations. Now click the symbol section on the left. Under this, you'll see all the candle-related settings. Finally, choose your preferred colors for the body, borders, and wick of both bullish and bearish candles. Once done, click OK to apply the changes. And that's how you change candle colors in TradingView. Customizing your charts helps reduce eye strain and makes trading more efficient. If this helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more practical guides. See you next time!